Okay, good afternoon, my viewers, my followers, lover of mathematics users. Because everybody uses maths in one way or the other. People ask questions. What is the application of this maths? In one way or the other, you use this maths. The carpenter uses maths. The mother, the housewife uses maths. The engineer uses maths. The lawyer, they uses maths. Without the application of logic, the lawyer will not win his case. Ask all lawyers. It's an application. So mathematics is an everyday part of existence. You must understand at least the rudiment of mathematics. Now I have another question here. This question says, find the gradient of the curve x squared plus y squared equals to 4. Somebody will now be wondering, gradient, and they are giving me x squared plus y squared. You can find the gradient of a curve, you can find the gradient of a straight line. Then when you have this is just an equation and I don't have any values for x or y, what will I do here? In this part, differentiation, the general name for gradient is derived from, differentiation is derived from gradient. What differentiation? Increase in x all over decrease in increase in y, or decrease in x in y all over decrease in x. So that is what we are applying. When they say gradient, it means find the y, the x. What is changing? The y, the x means changing in y all over changing x. That's just a simple explanation of this. So when I have this, first, every learner must have a foresight that this is a part. This question is coming from a pattern, a section. What should I do when you are given something like this? The first thing you will do is to remember that I have what is called the implicit differentiation. Because differentiation, every pattern has its own structure. What should I do here? What does implicit say I should do? Implicit says that I should differentiate term by term. If I want to differentiate with respect to x, this answer here will be 2x. Now, I am supposed to differentiate with respect to x, but I have y. But I can't leave the y like that. I must differentiate the y. So when I'm differentiating, here will be 2y dy all over the x. Because why is it the y over the x? Because I'm not differentiating with respect to x. So that's the y dx must come in, showing that I'm supposed to differentiate with respect to what? To x. So when I differentiate a constant, just like in the general method, this place is always 0. Every differentiated value of a constant is what? 0. Is 0. Now, when you get this, the next thing you do, you rearrange. I'll leave all the values with the y dx to one side, and I'll leave the ones alone to the other side. So here will be 2y dy all over the x is equals to 0 minus 2x. And of course, 0 minus 2x is 2x. So here will be 2y dy over the x is equals to minus 2x. Once you successfully arrange properly, what you need to do is just to divide both sides by the coefficient of the y dx. The y dx. So the coefficient will cancel. 2y divided by 2y is gone. So I'm now left with my gradient formula, which is the dy dx is equals to. Of course, you observe it carefully. What's common here? These two can cancel. When you are writing this answer, please don't leave it. I purposely left this negative sign here to draw your attention. In maths, the minus must be at the middle. So this is x all over what? Y. This is how you leave your value. This is the answer to this question using implicit differentiation. Thank you very much for listening. Thank you for watching. Keep inviting more followers to follow Maths is Life. Maths is Life is here to give you the best and the rudiment that will boost your interest, that will eradicate phobia from every child. Thank you.